So, it is already fucking 80 degrees out here, y'all. And it's 8 a.m. 8 for 80.
Is it already 8? Oh my gosh, y'all, it's 8 o'clock. It was hot.
Fogged as hell.
That heat took me out last night. Yeah, Georgia.
Hey, Georgia.
Mine is
this
hot.
land's getting foggy as hell out
It's
here.
so hot. Lola! Lola, get your trifling behind down. You know how long it took me to grow that tree? Lola, get
There goes
down, Lola.
Y'all ain't met Lola. That's Lola.
Lola, if you don't get down off of get down.
Lola.
Get down, Lola. Get down.
She gonna jump down into the garden.
Oh,
So again, it's hot as hell out here. How's Cece do?
oh, good.
She good?
There you go.
We're worried about Cece, which is our Cornish crossing. Huge ass bird is what I call it. She's right here. Yesterday was just hot as hell. We had an index of 100. I think they said 119, but you know the temperature gauge actually said like 100. What do you want, Georgia? What's up?
She said, I'm trying to make awareness to chicken bullying.
Who's bullying her? Everybody? Everybody be bullying Georgia. She's the smallest bird of the flock.
The rooster was on her and she was screaming and I thought he was hurting her. Then I looked, I was like, he ain't even hurting her.
No.
She ain't missing no feathers, no nothing.
It's just staying fogged up. It ain't doing us no good.
Breath that.
Nah, it's just humid out here.
You know, I had to ask.
It's humid as hell out here. Humid as hell. Oh man, it is warm already. I have to take my ass back in. Did you check on your frog? You know, she did buy goldfish, but she ended up with.
Them things dead.
They all did. The heat yesterday. I told her I said, they don't do good in hot water. And I touched that water and I was like, that water boiling, girl. I said, that shit hot. I even put my meat thermostat out there. I'm like, that thing over 100. I said, and I got to Googling. I'm like, the temperature say 65, 75. I'm like, I don't think they gonna make it. And sure enough, by the end of that day, they ain't make it. They ain't make it. What's up, baby?
I can't believe it. You missed it. Why were they fighting?
Who, these
Yeah.
little things.
Matilda.
That's Matilda.
Camera.
Little brown one's one called Egypt. And then we have this little black silky that I think is the cutest thing. I don't know what she calls it, but I think it's the cutest little thing, that little silky with the dirty booty. Yeah, that one right there. Look cutie. Look cutie. Y'all most definitely get it. What you looking for? What you looking for, Miss Kyle?
I'm about to let this out of here if she ain't out of here.
You know she in there.
Nah, that's not her.
I like how they're looking at you like, what's going on? What's going on?
Somebody laid
Slipping
the
up.
egg this we didn't have a decent about.
They do that. And here goes our Cece. How old did you say Cece is?
This should be about like 3 months now.
3 months old. So that's a Cornish crossing. Most of the time, from my understanding, they kill them at 2 months. We were gonna live her out, or live him or her out, because I think it's a boy, and see, you know, see how big she get, or he. I don't know. I don't know if they lay eggs or not, but they big as hell. You probably pecked my camera. And it's his little best friend. This little bird hangs with him nonstop. Does not leave his side. Does not look. See, already getting up. Pink blue ass. For whatever reason, they like all the other birds. We have to separate him from those ones because they like to peck. Oh, he walking funny, Kai. Look how he walking.
Yeah, body too heavy.
He went straight back down.
Too fat.
She trying to keep this thing.
I'm not.
You gotta make him walk. That's what they said. That's what the other farmers said on YouTube. You gotta make him walk. You gotta make. Excuse me, lady. Oh, we made it. We made it in here. So let's see what I can get for y'all. This right here. Hopefully, I don't fuck it up too bad. And I said they stay beefing. Don't let them fool you. They stay beefing. I'm like, my bad. And he said, oh, sorry, girl.
So this is the little bird you saw outside yesterday.
Yep.
She moved.
It's hot as hell out here. What do you expect?
Hello, pretty girl.
It being hot, what do you expect?
You were so pretty. Yes, yeah, you don't have to. Yes, yeah. You were so pretty. You were so pretty. Yes, you are. You hear her talk? What else? You want me to go get the corn?
So it's a good chance we're gonna have some birds for sale. Look at these little, like, where's y'all big bird at? The one y'all follow. The little girls are right here. But they usually have that bigger girl that they follow. And I don't see her. Where did she go? That's the one that they call Matilda. That's interesting. That is interesting. Baby, you see Matilda? You see Matilda, baby?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I saw. Oh, there she is. Well, I saw the two babies, and I'm like, they ain't never alone. They always in threes.
Why? Don't fluff your wings up at me. Why are you fighting Egypt?
That's what Kyrie does.
Huh? Now fluff your wings up at me. Why are you being mean to her? What? No, Matilda, that ain't nice.
Well, I know Egypt pretty.
That ain't nice. nice.
Cece, you gotta get your ass up, girl. You can't just be laying down all day. You gotta get up. Yeah, your legs ain't doing it today. He's hot as fuck. Is that a thing? You dip him in ice? Do we dip him in ice? He heavy too. He heavy as fuck. He's just hot. He's really, really hot. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Hey, you got some frogs that got out, or you got them out? Because like I said, it was 6 in here last night. So as you can see, her little fishes died. And I came here last night, it was 6 frogs in here, mating like crazy. That sun breaking through. So Kai made it back out, and she carrying the chicken. She carried the chicken in the house.
So y'all, we about to give them some frozen corn. You ain't gotta be expensive. Go and get that 98-cent bag of corn so my babies can cool off. Cause Cece, he's warm and he didn't want to leave from inside the house. Look how calm he is.
His feet are hot as hell. Big ass eagle feet. Look how big these paws are. Compared, I mean, yeah, he's like, he enjoys that. That feel good.
Let the foot say amen. He like, fuck yeah, what this?
Put both feet up there.
What this? This that corn pedicure.
I'm done.
Cornicure. He getting that cornicure done.
I'm done.
He said,
Look how he's walking.
ooh, he walks fine. He got big feet.
No, he got like a little jolt in it this time. Now he's like,
he went inside.
he got a limp to it. Like, he don't normally have a limp to his. And there goes our animal. She just scared me. You know, she's behind us. There she is. She popped up out of nowhere. I got an 11-year-old girl, y'all, if y'all don't know that. And that's her.
Hey, can you go bring me one of my sun hats, please?
So Kai, I don't know, like she thought that was gonna pour out.
I did, 'cause I tore a hole in it.
It's frozen though. It's a block. That's what I was saying, to make it more of a cube, you know, like more water. So they have to peck at the water, the ice, you know, to make it cold.
I was, but putting water in the bag and
No, the pot. You have to do it in like a pot.
Oh.
And then knock it out the pot, you know. That's one way. That's what I was saying, like on Amazon, they had those silicone molds that you can, see, that's gonna be a little harder. You have to put some warm water in that, like you give it a hot bath on the outside.
It's loose.
She got that thing frozen, y'all.
Okay, majority I had out there came in. Where's
been-
my other tray?
I don't know.
Oh, there you go, inside the chicken coop. Excuse me, girl.
We are in the run, y'all.
Trying.
And you can see just the coldness coming off that pot. That's how hot it is out here. You just see it. Just, I don't know if you call it steam or what, cold steam or cold air or what you call it. But when you know something's gonna work, why don't you just try it? Like, we know we heat up that little pot on the outside, it's gonna work. Like, we know that. Like, that's proven. But if we go banging on a cement block, there's a good chance that we're gonna fuck that pot up.
Frozen bananas.
She ain't listening to none of that shit. We go help her, y'all. Apparently she needs it. She needs the help. She needs the help. Ah, sprinkling. Oh, y'all got what? Yeah. So we got an outdoor sink. That's where I'm at. It doesn't have hot water though. But you see how quick that was? You see how quick that shit was? I didn't even have hot water and it was faster. Didn't even have hot water, y'all, and it came out. I didn't even have hot water, y'all.
I mean, I did lose it.
She got it, y'all. So she got the pizza, the corn pizza. She tossed it in there. There we go, Kai.
Keep y'all a little busy.
What you think, Kai?
Look, when your chickens get overheated and it get hot like it is today, and it was yesterday, give them some hydro hen. Give them some cold corn that's been frozen, some frozen bananas. Give them a frozen watermelon. Give them some cold, because you know you're going to want some cold if you're in the heat. So just remember that. Word to the wise.
Word to the wise, she says. Word to the wise.